Good morning, students. Last period we will start the topic necklace. Today we are going to learn about the topic number 2. Para. He stopped, stunned, distressed to see his wife crying. He stuttered, stuttered, "What is the matter? Let's see, Mithil. How much would be suitable dress cost?" That means the Mithil's husband asked her the questions. What is the problem and how much would be the suitable dress cost? That means how much cost of this dress. She stuttered means to stammered. How much would be suitable dress cost? She thought for a moment, computing the cost and also wondering what amount she could ask for without any immediate refusals. At least the answer hesitantly, "I don't know exactly, but I think could do it with the 400 francs." That means at that time the Mithil Mithil's husband asked her questions. At that time, Mithil's husband asked her questions. How much would be the suitable dress cost? That means how much cost of this dress? She thought for a moment and she think sometime and I give the answer to her husband. I don't know exactly. That means I know how many cost of this dress. I don't know exactly, but I think could do it with a 400 francs. That means this dress price was a 400 francs. He turned a little pale because he had been saving the exact amount to buy a gun for the hunting summer in the country near Netrettes with a few friends. However, he said, "Very well, I can give you 400 francs, but try and get really beautiful dress." He turned to little pale. That means Mithil's husbands, that means the Lozels, turned a little pale because he had saving. That means Mithil's husband saving a exact. That means he saving a 400 francs, but he saving 400 francs for the buy a gun for a hunting summer. That means this 400 francs saving for the um, saving to buy a gun for the hunting summer. He said, "Very well, I can give you 400 francs." And Lozel give the answer to the Mithilez or his wife. "I give this 400 francs to you, but try and get a really beautiful dress." But you try and get a you give this dress. The day the day of the party drew near, and Madame Lozel seemed sad, restlessly anxious, though her dress was ready. That means the day of the party New Year, and Madame Lozel seemed sad, restless, anxious, though her dress was ready. But after some days, that means after some days, the dress was ready, but the Madame Losel, that means the Mithile, was the restless, anxious, so her dress was ready. One evening, her husband said to her, "What is the matter?" Then again, her husband asked the question, "What is the problem? You have been acting strange these last 3 days." That means he asked a question to his wife, "What is the problem? And last 3 years your mood is sad mood." She replied, "I am upset that I have no jewels." That means he immediately give the answer to her husband, "Because I am upset because I have no jewels, not a single stone to wear." That means I have no jewels and not any single necklace to wear. I would rather not go to the party, and I will not go to this party. That means he you replied immediately. I am upset because I have no jewel and no any pearl necklace or stone necklace. You could wear flowers. And at that time, her husband told her, "You wear flowers." He said, "They they are very fashionable at this time of year." And this, at that time they are very fashionable at that time in year. And you wear the flowers, or you wear the flowers. Her husband said she was not convinced, but her husband tried to the convince to Mithil, but she was not convinced. The next day she went to her friend house and told her of her distress. And next day he goes to the her friend's house, and he told her all the story or distress or sadness, reason of the sadness of her. Madame Forrester went to her mirrored wardrobe, took a large box, brought in the bag, opened it, and said the Madame Losells. That Madame Forrester went to her mirrored wardrobes, took, and at that time he telling all the story to the Madame Forrester. And at that time Madame Forrester goes to toward her cupboard, and took out the a large box, brought in back, open it, and the said, "Madame Loisel, choose, my dear." And he told her to the Madame Loisel, that means Mithil, and told her, "Choose, my dear," that means you choose anything in this box. First Mithil saw some bracelets, then pearl necklace. She try on jewelry in mirrors. That means Mithil try the some jewelry in try the jewelry in the mirror. She kept asking, "You have nothing else?" And she kept asking, "You have nothing?" "Why, yes, but I don't know what you like." That means at that time the Madame Forrester told her, mm, "Why, yes, but I don't know what you like." Then suddenly she discovered in a back satin box a superb diamond necklace. On her heart began to beat with the uncontrolling desire. Her hand trembled as she took it, and she fastened it around her neck and stood lost his ecstasy as she looked at herself. That means suddenly she discovered in a black satin box. That means at that time suddenly saw in the satin box a superb diamond necklace, and her heart begins to beat with the uncontrolling desire. That means she was so happy, and her heart was the heartbeat begins to heartbeat with an uncontrolling desire. Her hands trembled as she took it. That means she saw this necklace. She was so happy. Hmm? She fastened it around her neck. That means she try to necklace in the mirror immediately, and stood lost in his ecstasy as she looked at her. Ecstasy means very happy, and at that time she was very happy, and she looked at herself, and at that time she looked at herself in the mirror. Then she asked anxiously, hesitating, "Would you lend me these just things?" Anxiously means eagerly. That means she asked eagerly, and hesitating means to brokenly. She asked anxiously, hesitating, "Would you lend me this? That means you give me this necklace for some time or some days." Hmm? "Why, yes, of course." And at that time the Madame Forrester replied immediately, "Why, Yes, of course, I give this necklace to you. She threw her arm around her friend's neck repeatedly, repeatedly, then fed with her treasure. She threw her arm around her friend's neck repeatedly, then he fed with the treasure. That means Mithil was so happy because the Madam Forrester gave gave her this necklace for the party. The day of the party arrived. Madame Loisel was a success, and at that time the day of parties arrived. That means this party is coming soon. Madame Loisel was a success, and at that time she was so happy because Madame Forrester gave her this diamond necklace. She was prettier than all other women, elegant, gracious, and smiling, and all full of joy. That means in this party she was prettier than all the women. That means she was prettier, or she was beautiful in this party. This woman, elegant, gracious, smiling, and full of joy. She danced wildly with a passion, forgetting everything in the themes of her beauty and success, fluttering in the cloud of happiness. She danced wildly, and she was very happy, and she danced wildly with a passion, forgetting everything in themes of her beauty and success. That means all this all these people in the party was streams and her dreams of her beauty and success and floating in cloud of happiness. That means the Mithili was very happy at that time. Mithil and her husband left at about 4 o'clock in the morning. That means this party was finished, and this party was finished 4 o'clock, and Mithil and her husband left at about the 4 o'clock in the morning. When they were finally in the street, they could not find a cab. That means she goes to the she when they were finally in the street, that means 4 o'clock, she goes to on the road. At that time they could not find any cab. That means they not find any cab. They walked down toward the scenes. That means she goes toward his house in walking till they found one, and at that time finally T found one. They were dropped off their door in the Rue des Martyrs, and sadly it was all over for her. That means at that time she reached on this place. In the front of the mirror she took a final look at herself in all her glories. That means in front of this mirror, that means she saw her re- reflect reflection on this mirror. She took a final look at herself in her glories. That means she finally looked at herself, but suddenly she uttered a cry. That means she suddenly uttering a cry. She no longer had a necklace round her neck. That means she saw in the mirror, and finally well understand he had no necklace round her neck, and finally the necklace was lost. What is the matter? Asked her husband, and at that time he crying loudly, and at that time her husband asked a question to her, what is the problem of Mithil? What is the matter? Asked her husband. She turned toward him, panic stricken, and I no longer have Madame Forrester's necklace. He stood up, distraught. What? How that impossible? That means he told her husband all this. Told her husband all this story about the necklace, and she turned toward the panic stricken. I have no longer have Madame Forrester's necklace. That means the Madame Forrester necklace was lost, and at that time this Mithil's husband gave the reply, what? He stood up distressed. What? How? That impossible. It is not possible. How it possible? And this is the first part of the story. The next part, what happened? What is the what happened about this necklace and Mithili and her husband? To this learn next part. We will learn this next part. Thank you.